Yo! Sorry! Come back here, sorry man! Yes, come on! I broke one of them big nigga. So we don't know which one for you.
Are you?
Me, Rasta, Melissa the last.
So is you, Melissa, coming to look
Yeah,
for?
me. I'm gonna get some nice love tonight. I'm going to fuck out till I drop now.
Please excuse the banner of Jesus Christ, we're downtown Kingston.
Melissa,
Him look good. Jesus, you never know.
Wagwan, my people, welcome back to the channel. You already know it's Seth Commentary, bringing you another real Jamaican moment. Now listen, only Jamaicans could do this. While most countries will be panicking over a hurricane alert, Jamaica out here turning it into comedy show. Today we are diving into how the island is handling Hurricane Melissa with memes, jokes, and pure unbothered energy. But before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a flag in the comments if you love the Jamaican spirit.
To Jamaica, you don't have to go to the sea. The sea comes to you. Breaking news! Yeah man, look on the brethren. Where are rolling so comfy, star? We don't even know we just follow the river. Hurricane taxi, see? Nice, pretty strong. Me can't believe you're careful with the roof them, yeah? Respect my boss, bless up. Yeah, me hurricane come and you're chilling like that. Chama, you're mad for true. What? Feel that breeze, man. That's it. Hey, lift it up. Now we dance with it! Polo! Yeah, man! Dance floor, wagwan. Turn it up, selector. Woo! Jamaica never stop vibe, you hear? Them cup make we talk. Look on the way of your seat. Hurricane can't stop. They say cold but sweet some way. Watch your head. Flash them, Tash. Don't know. That's how we party. Rain. Master God, and this door. Look how me and gonna say. This time me and come and it look like it reach like an breeze. Yeah, breeze. Me say a first I ever see much breeze for me bad man. Hey, look. We can't manage this, you know. We can't manage this. And the next thing too. So me here say for your nephew and niece and come breeze or water. Tuesday and this snow. We can't manage it. I look over tobacco house. I first I ever see so much black. Me there you wonder if tobacco did have a black factory. Puffy rooftop black gun. You want to see? Master God, hey look here man. Mr. Jamaica strap down. Mr. Hey look here. The government are work. Jail clean. I don't know what me I'm gonna do. Right now, I don't know where. Me, I'm a time to hear my body. Me want to come out of the car. Me want to come out of the rain car. Me want to Lord God, I don't know call me court man. Hey look here man. We're not ready for this one. And this no look here. I better you practice 6 more this Christmas. Anytime this dry up.
Rain done.
Go in. I come to see every day.
Of course.
That is it. Yeah, me see 3 them up down already.
Yeah, man. Jamaica Superman.
Yes, sir.
Find the channel, you know. Orient Thomas.
Take care of yourself, you know.
Respect and protection.
Yes, sir.
Right. Watch your breeze, alright?
Alright, cool.
Yeah, man, look on this. Category 5, full of vibes. Wind a mash up everything. Rain a beat like drum, but me still there. 3 them lean flat. Yeah, them.
Oh, God, they try to drown me in this hole. I cannot see. A nigga, goddamn. They always try to drown me when I'm driving my bike. Like, look at it. Oh, God, I have a whole ass pool in my shoe. Damn.
So, Hurricane Melissa. She is been brewing in the Caribbean waters, making her way toward Jamaica. Normally, when people hear hurricane, they rush for supplies, flashlights, batteries, canned food, all of that. But Jamaicans, them na panic. Them start meme it. You see posts like, Melissa, if you reach Jamaica, bring 2 tins of corned beef and a bread. Or someone saying, Melissa, we ready for ya, but make sure you knock before you come inside. It's like the island collectively decided that fear is not an option. Laughter is the defense mechanism. And that's something powerful about Jamaican culture. Even in chaos, they find comedy. Now let's talk about what makes this so unique. It's not that Jamaicans don't take danger seriously. It's that they have mastered the art of keeping calm through humor. Because in Jamaica, vibes are part of survival. If the light goes out, somebody already have the dominoes ready. If the rain starts to fall hard, next thing you hear, somebody a play. Rain a fall but duty tough on the radio. And online, forget it. TikTok, X, Instagram, full of people acting like Melissa is a long lost cousin. Melissa will love you, but don't smash up the Wi-Fi. You can't make this up. What I love most is how this kind of energy brings people together. Even if you are outside Jamaica, in Canada, in the UK, in the US, you feel that same vibe online. It reminds you that no matter where we are, Jamaicans share this unbreakable spirit. You can take us out of Jamaica, but you can't take Jamaica out of us. People abroad sending message like, me glad, me they are foreign, but me still a laugh with Unu. That's what you call community through comedy. But let's also talk serious for a second. While the jokes are flying, everyone knows hurricanes are nothing to play with. So while we laugh and share the memes, make sure you stay alert to the weather updates. Keep your emergency kits ready and check on your neighbors, especially the elderly and the children, because that's what being Jamaican is truly about. Looking out for one another. Laughter might be the surface, but unity is the core. That's why no matter what comes our way, storm, hurricane, or anything else, we always bounce back with a smile. The vibes see undone. So what do you think? Do Jamaicans have the best sense of humor in the world, or what? Let me know in the comments which meme or reaction had you laughing the most. And big up to everyone watching from yard and abroad. Me appreciate the love and the support. Before you leave, make sure to like, subscribe and share this video with a friend who needs a laugh today. Stay safe, stay strong, and remember, no matter the storm, Jamaica always find a way to shine. Bless up me people. Until next time, this is Seth Commentary signing out.